Now, the remaining part of experimental proof by Matthew, Michelson, and Stahl. After certain number of binary fissions, they selected a DNA molecule, bacterial cell with a DNA having 15 N, 15 nitrogen bases containing DNA molecule. Okay, here I'm taking some part of DNA molecule. Before this, I explained a double-stranded circular DNA molecule with 15 N, 15 N. So take some part to understand mechanism. Okay, so this is present in bacterial cell. After isolation and centrifugation, in that test tube, what about the location of this DNA molecule at the bottom of the test tube? 15, heavy molecular weight. For example, 10,000 Daltons. Okay, both the DNA strands with 15. Remember this one. So take this one or consider this one as a parent DNA. Parent DNA. Okay, present in one bacterial cell. Okay, what about the number of DNA molecules, genophores, main DNA molecules present in one bacterial cell? One chromosome, one DNA was given. Go back to cell biology. Don't think about plasmids. Plasmids, one to many possible. Here the question is the main genetic material, genophore, chromosomal DNA is only one. Okay, one DNA molecule. Okay, so a bacterial cell which is having 15 containing DNA replicated, subjected to binary fission. Binary fission. Binary fission or culturing. Culturing means binary fission only. Okay, so subjected to binary fission in the culture medium. Culture medium with less molecular weight isotope, that is 14NH4Cl. Please remember here, 14N. N is nothing but nitrogen that will be installed, that will be incorporated in the nitrogen bases, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Don't take uracil because we are studying DNA molecule. So in all these nitrogen base, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, nitrogen is present. Okay, so the parent DNA with the 15N, 15N, cultured on the culture medium. First generation, generation 1 completed. What type of culture medium? Culture medium with a number of nutrients. Out of all the nutrients, we have to remember this one, 14N, nitrogen containing source, nitrogen source. So after first generation, how much time? 20 minutes. Follow according to textbook. 20 minutes given, follow that one, 20 minutes. 1 into 2 DNA molecules. So this is a parent DNA molecule. 15 nitrogen. Parent DNA strand, sorry. N. Okay. And what about a new strand? New strand is according to medium. According to medium. According to medium means 14N. 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 What about this one? 15, same. It is a not hybrid. Parent non-hybrid. But what about a DNA molecule? Hybrid or not? So hybrid DNA. 1C into 2C or 2C into 4C. Better you take 1C into 2C. 1 DNA into 2 DNA strand. 2 DNA molecules. 1 DNA molecule into 2 DNA molecules. 1:2 ratio. Okay, that is also very, very important. Now come back. Data DNA molecule 1, data DNA molecule 2, 2 data DNA molecules. In each data DNA molecule, how many strands are with 15 nitrogen containing nitrogen bases? Only one. Remaining one, 14 one. So 50% mother. Here also 50% parent. Remaining one, new one according to medium. So the labeling of strand depends on the culture medium in which it is replicated. Okay, so now the DNA, this DNA 15-15 cultured on the culture medium means a bacterial cell which is having 15-15 nitrogen containing nitrogen bases on the culture medium with NH4Cl. So new strands are according to the medium only. Here, according to the old medium, how many media they used? We will see what are the media. One medium with 15-15 and one more medium is 14 containing medium. Two types of culture media they use. Remember that one also. First culture medium with 15 NH4Cl containing medium. Second medium with 14 NH4Cl. So a new strand is produced according to the culture medium only. Remember that one. So what is the culture medium with the 14N? So what about new strands? 14-14. So 50% of strands, parent or not? Here also 50% parent. For example, what about the molecular weight? For example, here molecular weight is 8,000 Daltons. For example only, it is not a real molecular weight. So they isolated these DNA molecules and subjected to centrifugation. After centrifugation, within cesium chloride, what about the deposition of this DNA molecule? Here only one band. Take one band only. One band is visible in the second test tube. That is with one strand 15, the other strand is 14. So after first generation of binary fission, it was clearly demonstrated that the method of DNA replication is semi-conservative or not. 50% red, 50% blue. 50% red means belongs to parent DNA. And this is hybrid DNA having 50% 15N, remaining 50% 14N. Remember the generation, 20 minutes. And continue it. Second generation. Generation 2, same medium. What type of culture medium? CM culture medium with 14 NH4Cl. Same medium. Now, what about the number of DNA molecules? 2 means 2 into 4 or not? 2C into 4C, like that. Okay, so now separate all these strands. Basic parent strand, starting parent. Fourteen N, 15N, 15N. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strands separated. Now, new strands are according to medium only. What is that medium? 14N. 14N. Already I told you that the new strand is according to medium. The medium is with 14N. 14N. So what about the total number of DNA molecules? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 DNA molecules. Total number of DNA molecules. How many strands? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 8 strands. Okay. Total number of DNA molecules, 4 DNA molecules. Out of 4, how many hybrid? Hybrid how many? 2 only. And rest of the DNA molecules with 14 N, 14 nitrogen containing DNA molecules. The number is 2 or not? 1:1 ratio. This is very, very important. So total number of hybrid DNA molecules, 1, 2. Okay, right? And what about the molecular weight of normal DNA molecule with a less molecular weight? For example only. So its molecular weight is, for example only, 2000 DA Daltons. This one also 2000 Daltons. Here molecular weight is, for example, not the real weight. And what about hybrid DNA molecule? Hybrid DNA molecule 8000 Daltons. This one also 8000 Daltons. Last test tube. I go into textbook. I'm taking that one here. Here. Third test tube. In third test tube, how many bands are visible? Okay, 2 bands. I go into textbook. So what about this band? Band 1 with what type of DNA molecule? This one, middle, 15 and 14 nitrogen containing strands. And here, towards the top of the test tube, above, nearest to the mouth. This one with 14N, 14N. So they separated these 2 kinds of DNA molecules on the basis of molecular weight. Here it is deposited, here it is deposited, and they analyze it chemically. And what about the molecular weight of that? This one is with 1514 and this one is with 1414. And continue it. If you continue this one, same number of bands only on the same culture medium, So here how many bands? 1 band. Here how many bands? 1 band. Here how many bands? 2 bands. If you continue on the same culture medium, definitely how many bands possible? Always 2 bands possible. So again, culture it. How many DNA molecules possible? One more 20 minutes. Here also 20 minutes, second generation. Third generation. How many DNA molecules possible? Simply 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 DNA molecules. Out of 8 DNA molecules, 2 DNA molecules with 15, 14, remaining are with 14, 14. Simply remember one thing. New strands are synthesized according to the culture medium. What is the second culture medium? 14 containing one. All new strands are 14, 14 only. And here the question is, how at the end, how many kinds of DNA molecules? 2 kinds. Hybrid DNA, 14, 14. Whose number is constant? 15, 14 is constant. Whose number is increasing? 14, 14 number increasing. And the DNA strands with 14 is increasing. DNA strand number constant. Which one is constant? 15, 15 constant. Until and unless the culture medium is changed, there will be no change in the number of 14, 15 containing DNA strand. Their number is always 2. And whose number is increasing? 14 containing strands increasing and 14, 14 DNA molecules increasing. Remember that one. Is it clear? Right? Okay. Now, simply follow one thing. DNA, one DNA molecule. One generation. How many DNA molecules? Two DNA molecules. Second generation, two DNA molecules into four DNA molecules. And continue it. Generation one completed, two DNA molecules. Generation two, like that. So 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 16. Continue it. 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. After 80 minutes, how many DNA strands possible? According to this experiment, 1 into 2. Simply follow exponential growth. 1 into 2. Okay, so 1 into 1 DNA into 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 8, 20, 20, 20. 1 DNA molecule into 2 DNA molecules. 2 DNA molecules into 4 DNA molecules. 4 into 8. And continue with 16 DNA molecules. 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. 80 minutes completed. After completion of 80 minutes, what about the number of DNA molecules? 16. Out of 16, how many are hybrid? 2. How many are with 14, 14? Remaining all. Okay, is it clear? So that is about Matthew Michelson and Stahl experiment. On this, we have to do certain number of sums, problems. We will see those problems in the next class. Okay. So that's about a demonstration of a semi-conservative method of DNA replication in E. coli. And the second one, semi-conservative method of DNA replication in the case of eukaryotes. Just remember statements. Eukaryotes conducted by Taylor experiment in Vicia faba, a dicot plant, Fabaceae plant. There, what type of isotope they used? Radioactive isotope. Here, it is not radioactive, heavy molecular weight, less molecular weight. But in the case of Taylor experiment, radioactive isotope, radioactive thymidine, to demonstrate a semi-conservative method of replication in the chromosome of eukaryotes. Experimental plant, Vicia faba. Radioactive isotope, radioactive thymidine. These 15 and 14 are not radioactive, normal isotopes. Molecular weight is the difference. Okay, is it clear? We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye, see you.